We know you're waiting to get into AdPlify and start saving on ad expenses and increasing your ROI right away. We can't wait to get you to your access either, but before we get you there, we want to show you something that can help you get sales with AdPlify without running a single ad, targeting a single audience, and without having even a product to sell. Yes, no need to find a niche, design a landing page, run any ads, and do any optimization. No trial and error and wasting hundreds of dollars to find something that works for you. You can still get sales and pay off your investment in AdPlify in no time. Sounds incredible? It's 100% true, and over the last 35 or so products that we have created, we have helped thousands of people generate a lot of sales this way. Ready to find out how? By selling AdPlify access to other people with unlimited access. You know that people want to sell more on the internet. Every single online business, every single local business, they all need AdPlify to make it easy for them to get traffic from Facebook. But if you could sell to them and pocket 100% of every sale you make, yes, imagine selling AdPlify to unlimited customers and businesses and keeping all of the profits that you generate. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars, become crazy skillful, or manage a team of coders to create a powerful app like this. You get a ready made solution you can sell right now, and you can keep every dollar that you earn from it. We don't get any royalties or commissions. All your earnings will be 100% yours. On this page, you can buy an agency account on AdPlify, which will give you the permission to sell AdPlify to others. This is something very rare. You won't see it on many products, especially never on a product that is so much in high demand as this one. AdPlify Agency is easy to use. You'll get access to a control panel, and you can create AdPlify accounts for absolutely anyone you want, including team members, so you're not stuck all day doing the ad management work yourself. All your customers will have full access, and you will have full control over them. Cancel anyone's access anytime you want. You can use Adplify Agency to create a recurring revenue stream by charging customers a monthly or a yearly fee. Make money not just once, but month after month by selling Adplify at a recurring price. Sell it to your friends, mail your list, run some ads, buy solo ads, offer it on Facebook, sell it on Fiverr, run a telemarketing campaign, even put it as upsell to another product you have. You can do it all. Right after launch, we are going to make AdPlify a recurring product and sell it at a minimum price of $67. You can sell it at a monthly or yearly access at your price and make money easily. Don't want to create your own marketing materials and want to just immediately start reselling it? Don't worry, we have you covered. You'll get a full AdPlify agency materials kit to help you get those clients hands-free. This includes Facebook ads, copy, graphics, and more to break through gatekeepers and land local agency clients. There's been never anything like this. Plus, you will also get a 100% ready landing page to sell AdPlify for you. You can just put your buy buttons on it, upload it anywhere you want, and you will have a totally new product ready to make you profits. This landing page is written by top copywriters and designed by a top designer so that you really get amazing results. You'll also get powerful training on how to get the clients, including Facebook ads training and how to start and scale your local agency company. Plus, you'll also get some really great Amplify agency bonuses available on the page below. So don't miss out on this rare reseller and agency upgrade. Just get Amplify Unlimited Agency today and become an authorized Amplify seller to sell to as many businesses as you want for as long as you want. Click on the button below and claim your fresh sales today.